STM International School and College welcomes you to Island Classes. I am your English teacher Anupam Medley, and today we are going to learn something new. Okay, today we are going to do one exercise in which we are going to change the small letters into capital letters, and then we are going to change the capital letters into small letters. Okay, so now children, you already know how to write capital letters and how to write small letters, isn't it? So now let us move on to today's topic. First of all, we are going to do the exercise in which we are going to change the small letters into capital letters. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, now children, as you can see, I have written some small letters over here. Small a, small d, very good. Small g, small j, small l, small n, small q, very good. Small t, small v, and small y. Now what we have to do in this exercise, we are going to change these small letters into capital letters. Okay, now tell me how we'll write capital A. What is this? Small a. Now over here we have to write capital A. How we'll write capital A? From the red line we'll make one slant line to the second blue line, another slant line to the second blue line, okay, and a small sleeping line on the first blue line. Okay, this is how we'll write capital A. Can you see the difference? This is a small a and this is capital A. Now what is this, children? A small d. See, it's got a left curve. This is a small d. Now how we'll write capital D? One standing line from the red line to the second blue line and a big right curve. Okay, this is how we are going to write capital D. Now what is this, children? Small g. Now how we'll write capital G? Now pay attention. First we are going to give a left curve from the red line to the second blue line. We will not stop here. We'll take it up to the first blue line, then a small sleeping line, and then a small standing line till the second blue line. Okay, this is how we are going to make capital G. Now what is this, children? Small j. Now remember, whenever we are making a small j, we are not going to make a line on top, sleeping line, okay? Only a dot will come. So this is a small j. But when we are making capital J, how we'll make? First we will make a sleeping line on the red line, okay, and then from the middle of the sleeping line we'll make a standing line till the second blue line and give a little curve upwards. Okay, this is how we'll write capital J. A capital J has a sleeping line, but when we write small j, we don't make any sleeping line. Instead of the sleeping line, we put a dot. Now what is this, children? This is small l. Now how we'll write capital L? It's very simple. Make one standing line from the red line to the second blue line and a sleeping line on the second blue line. Okay, this is how we'll write capital L. Now coming on to the next letter. What is this? Small n. Very good. Now let us make capital N. We'll make one standing line from the second line to from the first red line to the second blue line, okay, and then a slant line and another standing line. This is how we'll make capital N. Okay, next letter is small q. Now how we'll write capital Q? Write it down in your notebook. See, make a big circle in between the first red line and the second blue line, and then give a small slant line cutting the circle. Okay, this is how we'll write capital Q. Now next is small t. Now how we'll write capital T? Again, first we'll make one sleeping line on the red line and one standing line from the middle of the sleeping line till the second blue line. Okay, what is this now? Second next letter is V, small v. How will write capital V? Same way, but we'll make two slant line from the red line to the second blue line, and then another slant line from the red line to the second blue line. This is how we'll make capital V. Now our last letter is Y. This is a small y, and it's the same way we are going to make capital Y. First of all, we are going to make one slant line from the red line to the second blue line, and a small slant line opposite to it till the first blue line. Okay, this is how we'll make capital Y. To see the difference, children, small a, small d, capital D, small g, capital G, small j, capital J, small L, capital L, small n, capital N, small q, capital Q, small t, capital T, small v, capital V, and small y, capital Y. Now similarly you have to do in your exercises. Okay, now let us move on to another exercise. Okay, now in this exercise what we have to do, these are the capital letters. Okay, now we have to change these capital letters into small letters. Okay, now what is this, children? This is capital B. Now tell me how we'll make a small b. How will write a small b now? First of all, we'll make one standing line from the red line to the second blue line and give a, very good, give a right curve. Okay, this is how we'll make small b. Now tell me what is the next letter? This is capital E. Now how will write a small e? In between the two blue lines, we'll give a left curve, and then from the starting we'll go in, give another curve. Okay, this is how we'll make small e. Now this is capital H. Now how will write small h? We'll make one standing line from the red line to the second blue line, and then give a right curve like this. Okay, this is how we'll make small h. Now what is this? Capital K. Now how we'll make small k? Again, one standing line from the first red line to the second blue line, and in between these two blue lines we have to make two opposite slant lines. Okay, like this, two opposite slant lines. Okay, children, now this is what? Capital M. Now how will write small m? Just I told you in your previous class, like a mountains, a curving mountains. So again, first give a small curve and a standing line in between the two blue lines. Then again take it on top, make one curve and two curves. Okay, this is how we'll write small m. Now coming on to our next letter, this is capital P. Now how we'll write small p? From the first blue line till the second red line. One standing line and a right curve. Very good. This is how we'll make small p. Now this is what? Next letter is capital R. Now how we'll write small r? In between the two blue lines, first make a standing line, then again take it on top and give a little curve with a small dot. Okay, this is how we'll make small r. Now what is this, children? Next letter is capital U. Now how will write small u? Again, in between the two blue lines, make a standing line, give a little curve, take it on top, and again bring it down and give a little curve outwards. Okay, this is how we'll make small u. Now what is this, children? This is capital X. How we make it? These are two slant lines crossing each other. Okay, similarly we'll make small x. Now this time we have to make again in between the two blue lines. Two slant lines cutting each other. Okay, this is how we'll make small x. Now what is this, children? Z. Very good. This is capital Z. Now similarly we'll make the Z again, but again in between the two blue lines. One sleeping line, slant line, sleeping line. Okay, zigzag pattern. Is it clear? So now similarly you will do this again in your exercises. Okay children. Now this was all for today's class. See you in the next class. Bye bye.